Transform your workout space with the ultimate foundation for fitness, premium gym rubber flooring. Our gym rubber flooring is designed for durability, safety, and performance. It provides a strong, slip-resistant surface that protects your floors and equipment. Installing our rubber flooring is a breeze. Interlocking tiles click together easily, and rolls can be cut to fit any space. Perfect for home gyms, commercial gyms, and fitness studios. Ideal for home gyms, commercial fitness centers, and studios, rubber flooring is versatile and built to withstand heavy use, keeping your gym looking great for years. Ready to elevate your fitness space with durable, high-performance rubber flooring? Contact us or visit our website today.